Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Classroom. One of my mates PM'd me about the installation requirements and how to choose the size of fans according to installation space. If the installation location is too narrow, it will affect the performance of the fan. And if it is too wide, it will reduce the space utilization rate and the ventilation and heat dissipation effect. So what is the specific installation range for axial fans, since the airflow is axial flow? Therefore, the requirements for radial installation are: the diameter of the installation space cannot be smaller than the diameter of the fan. The axial requirements are: the distance between the air inlet and air outlet and obstacles. From the above performance chart, it can be seen that whether it is the air inlet or the air outlet, the distance from the obstacle is more than 35% of the diameter of the impeller is the best. The airflow to the centrifugal fan is thrown from around the impeller by centrifugal force, and the change of the airflow path also means that there are more stringent requirements for the installation space. Requirements on the air inlet side: the distance between the air inlet and the obstacle is not less than 0.5 times the diameter of the impeller. The wind is thrown from around the impeller, and the space of the air chamber on the air outlet side should be ensured to facilitate smooth airflow. So the requirement on the air outlet side: the distance between the edge of the impeller and the obstacle should not be less than 0.3 times the diameter of the impeller. The installation space of the fan directly affects the performance of air volume, wind pressure, efficiency, noise, etc. So it is very important. If you still don't know whether your space meets the installation requirements, follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.